Before first use, you will need to prime the internal system of the Survivor Filter Pro Electric with water. If you intend to store your Pro-X for more than 4 weeks, please also follow these steps. Simply unscrew and remove the ultra filter and carbon filter assembly. Then, you can fill the chamber with clean water. You can then reinsert the ultra filter and carbon filter assembly. There is a second way to prime your Survivor Filter Pro Electric. First, fill the entire backwashing syringe with clean water. Then, attach the syringe to the water inlet fixture on the Pro Electric. Push the syringe and allow water to flow out of the ultra filter water outlet tip. Ensure the carbon filter and ultra filter are still installed in the unit during this step. You are now ready to use your Survivor Filter Pro X. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you ever have any questions, you can visit us on our website at survivorfilter.com or email us at support@survivorfilter.com.